most of the, at least the small molecule drugs are being sourced from India, especially for the US market or European market for that matter. And FDA or any of the regional regulators, their primary job is to ensure patient safety, that we get the high quality medicines that are there. And some of these is just sloppy paperwork or documentation that is extremely critical, and some of this could be misleading certain of the FDA inspectors or these. And we have been a little bit there are some players who have clearly been in that space, and it's really unfortunate because it taints the entire industry in that perspective. I think one of the things which is extremely critical, having faced multiple FDA audits, is that the FDA inspectors are really scientists. If you explain to them, and they know that there are thousands of steps in a particular manufacturing process or R&D, or for that matter anything, and they know that you cannot have perfection everywhere. Actually, they tell us that if everything is perfect, I start getting worried. You need to be truthful. You need to be truthful. You need to be honest. And I think if you do that, I think their confidence in terms of the ability, because we as Indians have been, we don't want to show that we have not done it right. We have been taught that since we were growing up. So I think there is a tendency to kind of dance around, while many of these regulators are very direct. You ask them a question, they expect a very direct answer. Honestly, I think it will be good because people will train their employees much better. People will focus more on quality, and I think it will just be good for all of us. I think in a way it is good. It will take some of these corrective actions that that we need somebody else to come from outside and tell us that these needs to be corrected.